advice I can give is keep going at it, skumeni yani to the maximum, and I mean the OG ashafika hapa. OG akishaingia hiyo area, unajua hiyo area imekubali, ishakuwa certified, ya ndio hiyo iko ndani.
Cultures 808
culture 808
culture so 808
and I mean the future is bright. The future is bright. Tuongea after miaka kama mbili hivi, you guys, it will be a different conversation, and I'm very sure it's going to be a different setting, because I tell you this for free, you guys are going to become one of the biggest labels in this country. Yeah, the real salsa. So patience, trust the process, and respect the OG.
We do.
We want to revolutionize culture 808. Sasa tunaingia level nyingine. Leo nimeorder hii packet ya kamera yetu mpya. Tutakuwa tunachukua nazo video na imeingia leo. Acha tuicheke namna gani. Camera brand new. Imetoka direct from Photoshop. Here it is. Inaitwa, the way you can see, Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Hii sasa nitakuwa yetu ya kuchukua video huko hivi, unaelewa? We want to move to another level, maana culture yetu is growing, man, is growing baby. Culture yetu inapanda, hii yetu mpya sasa hivi. Hata nifungue tuone vile inakaa. Let me open it up. It's the best camera the way I know for making music videos and everything. That's why we have to invest to make us look more professional, and that's where we are going. We want to move, we want to be in that radius. You know, want to be big in the game. That's what that's our aim. We want to be big in the game. Manake bila hiyo you can't move forward, you know. Kamera imeingia ina vitu zake hapa, which I don't know which are these. Lakini the experts will know what are these, because I've got experts in Nairobi going to sit on it. These are the brochures, how you to work with it and everything. This is the charger. I think this is the battery. This is the battery. So let's explore what's everything what's inside right now. So the camera imefika hapa, the Blackmagic camera. Look, Blackmagic Cinema Design 4K. It's coming over to Nairobi to Culture 808. So if you want to book a video, a special video with a nice camera, come to Culture 808. Hivyo tunaweza kuambia wazee imefika. Ciao. And we mean business because when we started, people did not believe in us, but we are growing slowly and slowly. And I'm telling you, in 4 or 5 years, come back here, you will talk another story. Anyway, have a nice time, Nairobi. Wish you all the best. Ciao.